another Facebook Live event of Robinson's Appliances. My name is Kim and I will be your host for this afternoon. We hope you are as excited as we are kasi we will be giving away loads of discounts and freebies from today's featured brand, Kolin. Today, we will be featuring their range of air conditioners, exactly what we all need for this very hot summer season here in the Philippines. And of course, hindi mawawala ang mga exclusive deals and special promos we have lined up just for you. Okay, so hindi lang yan. Meron din tayong game mamaya kung saan pwede kayong manalo ng exciting prizes. So guys, meron tayong pamimigay ng 1,000 pesos worth of e-voucher. Kaya naman, don't leave this live stream. Watch and listen carefully and stay on until the end. Kaya naman, stay tuned and don't forget to follow us on our socials. Like and follow us on Facebook at Robinson's Appliances, on Instagram at Rob Appliances, on TikTok at Robinson's Appliances, and you can also visit our website at www.robinsonsappliances.com.ph. Don't forget to use our hashtag Robinson's Appliances. You can also find us at the Go-Kart app. Download it now in Google Play Store or at the App Store. Joining me today is Jen, our representative from Kolin, who will be co-hosting with me today. So welcome to the Robinson's Appliances Facebook Live, Jen! Hi!
Hi!
Hello!
So, hi Kim! It's nice to meet you. And syempre, it's so great to join you for today's Facebook Live. Again, I'm Jen, and hello to all our K-Buddies watching us today. I'm so excited to be here, and I'm sure that all our viewers are as excited as I am to see all of today's feature products of Kolin. And as you mentioned, the Kolin air conditioners featured for today ay talagang perfect ngayong very hot summer dito sa Pilipinas. Diba? Grabe talaga yung init. Pero, before that, I would also like to invite everyone to check out our socials. Like and follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Kolin Philippines, YouTube at Kolin Philippines Official, and our website, which is www.kolinphil.com.ph.
Yeah, good to have you with us, Jen. Sobrang excited na ako to hear about these air conditioners plus amazing discount that we will share sa ating mga viewers today. Talagang saktong-sakto to, diba? To beat the summer heat. Sobrang init talaga ngayon. Siyempre, before we begin, don't forget to like and share this live event to qualify and spread the exciting news. Make sure to use our hashtags para makasali kayo at malay nyo kayo na ang manalo sa ating games mamaya. So without further ado, let's check out our first item. Miss Jen, ito na siya.
Okay, so ito nga ang ating first product featured today is the Kolin 1 horsepower quad window type inverter. So this is part of the Kolin quad series window type full DC inverter with smart controller.
Yeah, so grabe diba, smart controller. So now, can you tell us more about this aircon and the Kolin Quad series?
Ayan, so si Kolin Quad series has 4 C's that help complete and fulfill your cooling needs, which are composed of, ito, una is cost savings, cleaner air, convenience, and comfort. So, ayan na, apat na yan. So, ano-ano nga ba ang mga yan? Well, let's start with cost savings. Since this AC features, or this air conditioner features a full DC inverter with 3 DC inverter components. So, that's the DC inverter compressor, DC inverter fan motor, and DC inverter module for maximum efficiency, resulting to quieter, cost-saving, and fast cooling of indoor space. It also has a high cooling capacity because of its above the standard cooling capacity and 5-star CSPF rating. So, ayan siya. Kaya naman, very energy-saving talaga.
Wow, grabe yun. That sounds like the perfect air conditioner. And of course, since it's a full DC inverter, we know na efficient and makakatipid tayo sa kuryente. Especially nowadays that we want to keep cool in this very hot weather. Hindi mabigat sa bulsa na kahit buong araw natin siyang gamitin.
Yes. Yan. So, tama yan, Kim, no? Sulit talaga yung full DC inverter, and not only is this aircon energy efficient, it also features a multi-stage air filtration system composed of a high-density filter, antibacterial filter, catechin filter, and silver ion filter.
Wow.
So, 4 na filter, which eliminates bacteria, pollutants, allergens, viruses, airborne contaminants, and even unpleasant odors, ensuring safer and breathable air.
Yeah, I love it, ha, Jen. Alam naman natin na lahat tayo, di ba? Alam natin lahat na maraming virus sa paligid natin. So, that's why this air filtration system is perfect to ensure na the air is filtered and clean, avoiding any possible bacteria around us. Iwas sakit nga, di ba?
Yes. And syempre, that's not all. Because Kolin Quad series is also convenient to use because of its Wi-Fi smart controller.
Wow.
These features offer easy control of the air conditioner functions with the aid of your smartphone through internet connection anytime and anywhere. So kahit nasan kayo,
Grabe
just
yun.
download the EWPE app from Play Store or App Store. Perfect if you want to pre-cool your room before you get home, and pwede din makontrol with voice commands via your Google Home device. And of course, lastly, for maximum comfort, it also has a quick cooling feature which ensures rapid cooling compared to other air conditioners for efficient and effective cooling in no time.
Wow, that's nice, Jen, ha? You can turn on or off your unit, adjust the temperature, set your unit's timer, manipulate fan speed, and many more through the app. Grabe yun. And of course, the quick cooling feature may be my favorite. Kasi syempre ngayon, ang init talaga eh. Parang you wanted to enter your room na, alam mo yun, relax ka na, malamig na. So, perfect na perfect yan. Napakagaling ng features itong Kolin. At hindi lang yung features ang magaling, pati yung presyo actually. So, get your very own Kolin 1 horsepower quad series for 28,195. But dahil meron tayong Robinsons Appliances special discount, you may purchase this aircon for only 23,995. That's a savings of 4,200. Grabe, ang laki ng savings. O, diba? Marami na tayo pang shopping. Okay, so you can also purchase this aircon using your credit card with 0 interest rate for 6 months.
And Kim, no? We also have to mention that our viewers can also get a free,
free
floor fan if they purchase this Kolin air conditioner.
Grabe naman talaga. Wow na talaga. Talagang ready to beat the heat. Kaya get yourself the super sulit Kolin air conditioner and take home a free double floor fan. Okay, so now, Jen, for our next product, ayan, please do the honor. Ikaw na bahala.
Ayan. So, for our next product, this is Kolin's Certus split-type inverter, or our 1.5 horsepower Kolin Certus, your oasis of comfort.
Wow.
Ayan.
So, what is the Kolin Certus series then?
Okay, so this air conditioner embraces affordable luxury and comfort cooling with the Kolin Certus inverter technology. It has a high CSPF rating of 5.24, smart control, aesthetic design, suited for any interior. So enter your personal comfort oasis with this aircon Certus.
Wow, that's interesting, Jen. Pero what is the CSPF rating?
Okay, so the CSPF rating or cooling seasonal performance factor, so ito siya, yan nakalagay siya sa ating air conditioner. It is a method for measuring the performance of a room air conditioner to assess its energy efficiency and therefore its effect on climate change and environmental impact.
Wow, that's nice. And the Certus series has a 5-star rating and up to 5.24 cooling seasonal performance factor, or the CSPF rating, that ensures energy saving and save money from electricity bills.
And you're right, Kim, no? The inverter technology of Certus ensures efficient cooling and comfort while saving on energy consumption. And it has a full cooling capacity for much more cost-effective and efficient cooling.
Yeah, that's perfect. And of course, we all want an air conditioner na talagang sulit gamitin and talagang makakatipid sa electricity bill. Dahil nga sobrang init ng panahon ngayon, hindi na nakakatakot mag-on ng aircon. Grabe yon. Kasi talagang ngayon, iinit na yung panahon, tapos iinit pa yung ulo mo sa taas ng bills.
Ayaw natin, no?
Ayaw natin yun. So, this is great. Okay.
And aside from that, this aircon also features R32 refrigerant, which means a safer and more efficient eco-friendly and cost-effective refrigerant with zero ozone depletion and low global warming potential.
Yeah, that's nice. So lahat naman tayo gusto mag-contribute sa sustainability, and this is surely a great feature to have an air conditioner, and I love that it's efficient and eco-friendly, Jen.
And of course, Kim, we have to mention that the Certo series also provides healthier and safer air because of its active clean function. So this eliminates and prevents the growth of molds, dust, and other air contaminants that accumulate in the indoor unit. So additionally, it has a dual filter composed of an active carbon filter and high density filter, ensuring a cleaner environment to breathe and preventing air-related allergies and diseases. So very safe.
That's so great to know. Sigurado talaga that the quality of the air is clean and safe with the Kolin Certo Series aircon. And again, sakto sa panahon natin ngayong post-pandemic kasi we can't be sure of the types of viruses that are still around, diba? And best of all, this is a great feature for those with babies too. So sure tayo na malinis yung aircon natin. And yun nga, meron siyang active clean function.
Yes, so yan. But Kim, there's more, because aside from being energy efficient and safe to use, this is a smart air conditioner then because of it can be connected and controlled anytime and anywhere with your smartphones using the Net Home application and via voice commands when connected to your Google Home device.
Yeah, that's nice, Jenna. With the app, you can effortlessly control your Kolin AC using your smartphone, your tablet, providing you with unrivaled convenience and comfort. And of course, I'm sure na our viewers are excited to know about the price. Excited ka na ba, Miss Jen?
Yes, excited na.
Okay, so this Kolin Certo split type inverter sells for 32,495, but you save 1,000 pesos if you purchase this Certus aircon here at Robinson's Appliances. You can also purchase this aircon using your credit card with 0% interest for 6 months.
Perfect na perfect.
Yes.
And Kim, our viewers can also avail of the free installation for the first 10 feet, and again, free floor fan if they purchase this air conditioner here at Robinson's Appliances.
Yeah, that's an amazing deal. Kaya hurry na guys and grab these amazing discounts and freebies here at Robinson's Appliances. Okay, so now Jen, let's move on to our third featured product. So now tell us more about this kasi kanina pa niya nakakaught yung attention ko eh. Okay, go ahead, Jen.
Okay, so this next one is part of the Kolin Primus Gold series. Primus Gold. What we have featured here today is the 1.5 HP split-type full DC inverter air conditioner. So, ito siya.
Okay, that's interesting, Jen. So now, what exactly is this Primus Gold series of Kolin?
Okay, so the Kolin Primus Gold series here, so it is a showpiece of an air conditioner equipped with a full DC inverter system that garnered the highest cooling seasonal performance factor of rating of 5 stars. So it can cool your room faster, but it's more efficient and energy saving compared to a regular inverter. So ayan.
Parang gusto ko sabing sold. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina sa'yo, kanina ko pa siya tinitingnan, gusto ko na siya eh. Ayan, you can say the magic words, diba? So cools your room faster, efficient, and energy saving. It's what we all want in an air conditioner. And of course, we have to highlight na may 5-star CSPF rating siya, which is the highest CSPF rating. In other words, Jen, it's very efficient, and ito yung naabangan nila, energy saving aircon.
Yes, ayan. As you can see, it has up to 7.31 na CSPF rating. So, katulad din ng sinabi, it's correct, no? And another awesome feature is actually the cold plasma feature. So, cold plasma enhances filtration and sterilizes the air by releasing positive and negative ions, eliminating bacteria, viruses, and contaminants, improving air quality, and creating a healthier environment. To put it simply, it improves indoor air quality, can alleviate skin diseases, eliminate odors and allergens, and prevents microbial infections.
Yeah, ang galing naman ng cold plasma na yan, Jen, and it's such a great feature to have in an air conditioner because not only does it cools the room, and it also ensures that the air quality is clean. So okay siya for everyone, but most especially to those with allergies, asthma, or other health sensitivities, lalo pag may babies, may kids, or may mga senior citizens sa bahay, diba? That's perfect.
Yes. So, aside from being safe, it's ideal for those, ayun nga, with allergies talaga. So, perfect. And, syempre, another cool feature ng ating Primus Gold is its self-clean and auto-clean features. So, the self-clean feature automates the cleaning process of the internal components by undergoing 4 stages. So, may 4 na stages siya, which are the condensation, ayan, condensation, frosting and sterilization. So, ini-sterilize yung mga dust, pollens, and molds. Defrosting, and then finally, drying. So, this procedure prevents the buildup of dirt and mold inside the unit. So, ayan siya.
That's amazing, Jen, kasi diba, meron siyang self-clean feature. At least, you don't have to worry about dirt and mold build-up, knowing that the air conditioner has the self-cleaning feature. Minsan kasi diba talaga nakakalimutan natin magpalinis or sobrang busy natin. Hindi na natin siya naalalang gawin. Pero with this feature, at least, we know that it can clean itself.
Yes, no? And aside from that, it's a great backup to ensure that our indoor unit stays clean. But, syempre, our Kolin tip is to have your unit scheduled for a general cleaning at least every 6 months. And clean its filter at least every 2 weeks. So, sa lahat ng ating air conditioners yan.
That's noted,
Yes. Yan. And syempre, Kim, hindi lang yan ang features ng ating Primus Gold. It also has the smart controller feature. This feature offers easy control of the air conditioner functions with the aid of EWPE application and Wi-Fi connection, again, anytime and anywhere. You can also connect it to your Google Home device and control it by giving voice commands. So, and also aside from that, it's elegantly designed indoor unit. So, nakitang-kita naman kung gaano siya kaganda. Ayan, adorned with gold linings is a beauty worth to be hung on your wall as a masterpiece.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Jen. Sino ba naman ang hindi may impress sa smart features na yan? Especially ngayon na halos lahat ay connected na sa ating smartphones. It's so convenient and you can operate it anytime and anywhere using your phones. And I agree na yung design talaga, it's a masterpiece. Yun talaga yung nakakaught ng attention ko. Bukod sa feeling ko magandang-maganda talaga to, is yun nga, yung ganda niya, parang perfect siya sa aesthetic mo play sa bahay, diba? Yeah, and of course, what our viewers have been waiting for, Jen, is the price. Yeah, you can get the Kolin 1.5 horsepower Primus Gold Series inverter for 45,795. And syempre, may pa-discount tayo dito sa Robinsons Appliances. Get this for only 40,995. So, you save 4,800 pesos. Ang laki nun. What's more is, you can also purchase this air conditioner using your credit card with 0 interest for 6 months.
Okay. But, there's more.
Meron pa.
Hindi tayo nauubusan dito ng special promo. Kasi, our viewers can get a free double floor fan and free installation for the first 10 feet when they purchase this air conditioner.
Napaka-amazing talaga. Kaya beat the summer heat at mag-upgrade na to this very smart Kolin Primus Gold. Okay, so now for our last but definitely not the least, we have here the Kolin floor-mounted air conditioner. So Jen, please tell us more about this product.
Okay, sure thing. So we have the 4 horsepower Kolin floor-mounted full DC inverter air conditioner. So its full DC inverter components are composed of DC inverter compressor, DC inverter indoor fan, and DC inverter outdoor fan. So this AC or air conditioner also has a 5-star cooling seasonal performance factor or CSPF rating. So ito yon, which indicates how much energy the air conditioner uses on an annual basis. The more stars and higher rating, the more money you will save. Kaya naman, this light commercial unit is the perfect investment for your space.
Yes.
Ayan.
And syempre, we all love a good energy saving feature like the full DC inverter, diba? So, dun tayo sa efficient at makakatipid. And again, sulit sa kuryente.
Yes, syempre naman. And Kim, this unit also has a smart controller.
Okay, meron din. Katulad
Yes, so
nila.
smart aircon din siya. This means it can be operated using your smartphones anytime and anywhere as long as it's connected to Wi-Fi and it has the EWPE application, making it convenient for business owners and homeowners to control and set the air conditioner.
Yeah, that's nice and convenient talaga. No need to look for the remote na madalas nating nawawala. Ako nakakawala ako ng remote.
Ako din.
Yeah, just control the unit, diba? So with just a few taps on the phone, you can have your room or space cool.
Ayan. So, aside from that, another great feature is its R32 refrigerant. So, why is this a great feature? Well, this is because this refrigerant has low GWP or global warming potential, has zero ozone depletion contribution, is more convenient to work with, and is easier to recycle. And aside from that, this refrigerant efficiently conducts heat, which means it can also reduce energy consumption.
Wow.
So this is perfect for our eco-conscious customers who wants to save energy while also contributing to the saving of the environment.
Yeah, that's amazing. So this air conditioner does not only provide cool and comfort, but is also safer for our environment. And with all the negative changes in our environment today, it's nice to know that we have this kind of feature to not further contribute to the ozone depletion when using our products.
Yeah, so that is correct because we at Kolin Philippines is also committed to our corporate social responsibility, syempre to help preserve the environment.
Yes. Yeah, ang galing talaga niyan, Jen. And ang isa pang magaling is the special discounted price that our viewers can avail if they purchase this air conditioner in Robinsons Appliances. So from an SRP of 111,995, our viewers can get this in the nearest Robinsons Appliances for only 103,095 pesos. That's a big savings of 8,900, diba? Ang laki na nun, Jen. And you can also purchase this air conditioner using your credit card with 0% interest for 6 months. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo? Go to your nearest Robinsons Appliances and avail of the discounted prices.
And syempre, Kim, we will be giving then for this air conditioner a free floor fan and free installation for the first 10 feet.
Yeah, that's super, super great summer deals talaga. Kaya go to your nearest Robinsons Appliances and avail of the discounted price and special promos. Grabe no, ang dami nating na-feature na product. Magaganda na yung features nila, discounted na may freebies pa.
Napakaraming makukuha ni customer.
Yeah, totoo yan, Jen. So, before we conclude our FB Live today, meron tayong pag-game. Alright, so as we mentioned earlier, meron tayong pag-game today and I'm sure na marami nang nakaabang. So, let's start. So, we will be playing multiple choice. In 20 seconds, we will flash a set of words or terms on your screen and all you have to do is to select the correct letter. Either letter A, B, or C. So just comment your correct answer in our comment section and include our hashtag Robinsons Appliances. Of course, you should have a share badge, guys, to qualify. The winner will be chosen randomly. And for this round, we are giving away 1,000 pesos worth of e-voucher. Parang gusto ko din sumali dyan.
Parang ako din.
Yeah. So the winner will be notified by a Facebook Messenger. But here's the most important part. You should be using your real Facebook account and real name so we can confirm your identity when we send you your prize. So now, Jen, let's start. For our question, what is the missing C from Kolin Quad Series 4 Cs? Okay, so una dyan is the cost saving, cleaner air, blank, comfort. Okay, ano yung blank na yan? Is it A, cooling, B, care, C, convenience? Ayan, ano kaya yan? Okay, so we have 20 seconds. starts now. Sige, ano kaya? Naalala mo ba, Jen?
Siyempre, naalala ko yan.
Ako din eh.
Feature ko yan.
Yeah,
halos lahat ata sila may ganong feature eh. Kaya,
sige,
tandaan nila yan.
Ano yan? So, we have 7 seconds.
Ayan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. And the correct answer is C, convenience. And congratulations to our winner of 1,000 pesos worth of e-voucher. Please wait for a message from our team on how you can claim your prize. Ayan, so that concludes our Facebook Live for this afternoon. We featured 4 great Kolin air conditioners. So sana you found the perfect Kolin cooling product for your needs. Talagang perfect to beat the summer heat, guys. So the promo that we mentioned kanina ay valid lang from April 26 to 30, 2024. Kaya, hurry guys, parang gusto ko sabihin takbo na.
Oh, no
Yeah, now na sa nearest Robinsons Appliances store sa inyo.
That's right, Kim. So, we hope our viewers found the perfect Kolin product for their daily needs. So, dami-dami yan.
Madami yan.
And if you are looking for other products aside from air conditioners, meron kami yan at Kolin Philippines because we also offer non-air conditioning products like air circulators, air purifier, dehumidifier, air coolers, air curtain, personal refrigerators, and even water dispensers. And I'm sure our viewers don't want to miss out on all the discounted prices here lang at Robinsons Appliances. Again, guys, the promo prices are valid from April 26 to 30 lang.
Yes, avail of the special promos exclusively here at Robinsons Appliances. So, thank you so much, Jenna, for joining me today in this Facebook Live.
Ayan. Thank you, Kim. And syempre, thank you, Robinsons Appliances, for having me and featuring Kolin in today's Facebook Live. And again, I would like to invite all of our K-Body viewers to like and follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Kolin Philippines, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Kolin Philippines Official, and visit our official website at www.kolinphil.com.ph.
Yes, thank you to all our viewers for joining us this afternoon. For more information about Robinsons Appliances, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. We are Robinsons Appliances, on Instagram at Rob Appliances, and on TikTok at Robinsons Appliances. Visit our branches nationwide or visit www.robinsonsappliances.com.ph. And you can also find us at the Go-Kart app, available at the Google Play Store and App Store. And that's it for us, guys. Thank you to everyone. Stay cool and hydrated, and see you on the next Facebook Live. Happy weekend, everyone, and happy shopping! Bye!